All right, Big Girl Little Bag Part 3. So in the first video, I packed 4 days worth of things in the Tom Bin brain bag here. And as I explained in the previous videos, 4 days worth meant I had lots of different outfits. So yes, a lot of people would travel for weeks or months with the amount of clothes that I took, but I decided I wanted to have a variety of outfits, not do a lot of repeating, have things for casual and dressy occasions. So this is the 36-liter Tom Bin brain bag. Then I took the same items and I put them inside of the Tortuga Air, the 27 to 32-liter backpack. I kept it at 27 liters. Everything fit. It was getting kind of snug, but there was still space where I could have put other things. And so now I decided I wanted to go even further. So I want to go to a Packable Daypack and Packable Duffle. So this is the Tortuga Outbreaker Packable Backpack. So this is intended to be something you can smush flat, put in a bag, and then when you get to your destination, you have a day bag to carry, or you have overflow if you pick up some items along the way. But I'm going to try to use this as my main piece of luggage, and anything that's left over, because this is only 21 liters, anything that's left over will go into the Tortuga Outbreaker duffel bag. And this is 20 liters. So I have a total of 40, this is 21, so I have a total of 41 liters of space, so it's more space than I had with the other two bags. The weight will be maybe a little bit more evenly distributed because I'll have it in two different things, and I'll have some extra space in case I pick up a few things on my trip. So let's start with the backpack. So again, this is the Outbreaker by Tortuga. This is a relatively new product. It smushes pretty flat. You can just fold and smush it, but it's probably better just to lay it flat and just put your stuff over top of it. What I like about it is that even though it is a packable day pack, they didn't scrimp on the materials. So on the back, there's still some padding and ventilation, so you don't have just that whatever the material is just against your back. And these are pretty robust shoulder straps, so it helps a lot to have the padding to make things comfortable. And then there's the strap to put across the top. There are two really nice stretchy water bottle pockets on each side, better than what they did with the Tortuga Air. There's a pocket on the bottoms. It's got a decent amount of space. Inside there's a backpack section, a laptop section, and a place for a tablet. There's not much padding here, so it's okay, if you're not going to be slinging the bag around. But again, the idea was to keep it as thin as possible. All right, so in previous videos I explained the things that I'm packing, so I'll just kind of briefly go over that for this one. So the first thing I'm going to put in here are my shoes. So this is size 10 UFOs sandals. I'm not a shoe person. I will wear these flip-flops for dressy outfits and for casual. They're very comfortable. I also have a pair of fit kicks because I just like to have those when I'm walking around, mostly indoors or just like right outside of the place I'm staying. So those will go at the very bottom. This packing cube has a pair of black dress pants, a pair of casual linen type pants, a pair of jean shorts, and a sun hat. And of course I'll be wearing a full outfit on the plane, including like a wrap jacket type of thing. Those in there. So still lots of space so far. Alright. Next are 5 tops. One really dressy top, one pretty dressy top that could go either way, and then 3 more casual tops. I don't know why this is my heaviest of the packing cubes, but this is pajamas, underwear, socks, bras, and for some reason this is the bulkiest, seems like, of all of them. I will, on this trip, not be going to a gym per se, but I will be taking walks outside every day. So I've got some gym shorts, a tank top, and sports bra in here. This is a Tom Bin sack. It's one of those where you put your clean clothes on one side, and then you have dirty clothes, you put them on the other, and then you just kind of shove them through, and then you keep your clean and dirty separate. I will say, with the tops, one of the tricks to packing light, and using small bags when you're a larger size is really thinking about the materials that you use. So with tops, going for the thinner tops, and the silk tops, the thin cotton tops, it's going to take up a lot less space because your clothes are going to take more space than those of someone who's a size 0 or size 2. I'm going to even backtrack just to kind of show a couple of fabrics that I'm talking about. So this is a cotton top. This is a long, flowy, real soft, real thin. And the wrinkles shake out. Like once I get to where I'm going, I just hang it up, and I might need to iron it, but I don't have to. But you can just kind of tell from how it moves how thin it is. Makes a big difference. Here's a dressy top. And again, this is silk. Found the top from it. It's thin, it's flowy, it packs very lightly, but that's what makes a difference when you're a larger size. Alright, so I'm going to put this back in here and all that. So back goes the pajama and underwear and the workout clothes. So because I'm going to a smaller backpack, I'm going to do a little shoving to get everything to fit. This is my toiletries. I should have put them in here before I stuff the inside. But they'll fit into this bottom pocket. Right. Also, let's see, if I can get anything else in there. Oh yes, I have a Tom Bin organizer pouch that has jewelry in it. Alright, so let me zip that up there. All that's going to probably fit in that. I could shove some more stuff, I think, in here, something thin, but most stuff I have left is not thin except for this little medication pack, so I'll just stick that on top. And then we'll zip everything up on the inside. Water bottle, go up here. I could actually put the toiletry, the cords outside where they're accessible. So this has my my chargers and things, and one of those little extra battery packs. So let's see. Close it up. It's in a stuffed sack. This is also Tom Bin. And yes, that fits on the outside pocket perfectly. So let's see. That went pretty much all the way down there. My water bottle goes down nicely. So that leaves my liquids, my makeup, my purse, and the iPad for the duffel bag. So obviously I've got plenty of space for those. And of course I'll probably throw on my sunglasses, and there's always stuff that I like to add the last minute in my packing. As you can see, there's just a ton of space. So even if I shop while I'm gone, I'm going to have plenty of space to bring back anything that would fit in my budget. Alright. Put this on. And since I've divided up my things, this is not heavy at all. It was pretty heavy when I had it in the brain bag. A little heavy in the Tortuga Air. I just can't seem to find that strap. Okay, so it has a chest strap if you feel inclined to use that. But you can see it doesn't look too bulky. And then got the duffel bag, which is pretty light because I don't have much in there. And this is everything. So again, this is the Outbreaker by Tortuga. Is their packable day pack, and the Outbreaker Duffle, also by Tortuga, and it too is packable. So I hope this helps you to see ways that you can still travel with small bags, even if you wear larger clothes, and even if you want to have a variety of outfits.